I've been lost for days.
How you doing? Good?
Good to see you.
Oh, long time,
my, so long. How long's it been?
It's been so long that we have our own towels at Shoot and Chop. Please subscribe and please shootandchop.com if you want towels.
But hey,
Yeah,
Joel,
so-
what are we up to today?
I don't know, like me and Aegon thought we would like, you know, come and chill out today. And like, we're like, you know, let's go for a hike. And then we saw your ass here.
Yeah, I've been stuck here for many hours and I thought I was gonna have to eat my own leg, but it's great that you guys arrived.
Yeah, we were just thinking maybe you're lost in the forest because you haven't been to work for a week, so.
We are gonna be heading up this track. It stretches out for over 8,000 meters around the tallest points of Macau. This is the Coloane walking trail. Also, a little bit of a cool thing is this place actually used to have pirates in the 19th century, so maybe we find some hidden treasure. Probably not.
Are you
Most
done? Are you
likely.
done? Okay, let's go.
And as we hike, Joel, I want to give you a quick fact. This is the cool thing about Macau. You walk for 1 minute and look at this view. You've got skyscrapers and greenery coming together better than cheese comes together with the dough of a pizza, huh? But Joel, I actually want to share with you a fact. You really want to make sure that you're hydrated when you're hiking.
Okay, so.
Because, okay, 1 hour of hiking is 430 calories, which is more than jogging for an hour.
That's like 3 hamburgers.
That isn't at all, you're wrong, but it's like one-ish, sort of. Okay, let's go together and cross over each other.
All right, let's try this.
So just to pass each other very lightly, don't get in the way.
Wait, I'll take a step.
You go this way,
I'll go this way, yeah.
and I go this way, and we
Okay.
step in free. Oh!
Oh, I made it! Oh!
Dude, that was amazing! Yes! Yeah! Take a photo for my Instagram. My 2 followers want to ignore me.
Ready?
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Was that a good angle?
Yeah.
The thing that's really cool about this hike as well is on the way up, you got lots of different workout stations. Now, I'll show you how it works. Yeah, so we went the wrong way, but it's not my fault because I heard like a bird squawking earlier and I mistook it for Google Maps saying in 400 meters, turn right. Oh! Bro! Look at this! Look at that, bro! This is one of my favorite viewing points in all of Macau. Down there is Coloane Village. But the cool thing about this pagoda, Joel, is it's right opposite the vault bar. And let's do a vault bar challenge.
Anyone can do that.
Whoa! Wow.
This is the best feeling ever.
This is the best day of my life. This is the best day. Come check it out. Don't be a baby. Bee! It's really after us, man. Run! is perfect for sunset right now. Woo. With this beautiful Macau sunset, it is time to end the video. We really hope you enjoyed this hiking video, and if you would like to see more hiking videos, make sure to let us know in the comments below. Leave a like so we know you enjoyed, and maybe share with a friend you would like to go hiking with. See you in the next one.